you guys. Thank you for tuning into the channel today. So today, you guys, we have such a great position. This position is coming straight from Microsoft, you guys. This one is an amazing position. So this position, it is 100% fully remote. There is no degree required for this job. This job has full benefits and it's one of those recession proof companies. This job pays $214,000, you guys, up to $214,000. Go rewrite your resume for this job. Go pick up my virtual resume rewrite session for this job. This job is so amazing. This is an executive level, recession proof job, and you're going to need an executive level resume in order for you guys to land this job. Even if you are in a different field, use all of the skills and experiences that I give you guys, and we're going to walk through it on this video. So go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session. Go sit down. Within 10 to 15 minutes, you are going to have a professional resume, you guys, to submit for this job because this job is too goddamn good to let go. Okay? So go get the virtual resume rewrite session. And if you already have the virtual resume rewrite session, pick up your power words and phrases that you can use and follow along in this video because I'm going to tell you every single skill and every single where to find the experience to put into your resume. So literally, you are not even going to have to think about writing it anymore. I am giving you the exact paragraph, the exact wording, everything that you need. This is a follow along video today, okay, you guys? So let's get right into this job right now. Before we do, I want to tell you guys about some news that I just heard, and I am completely heartbroken about, you guys. So the Yellow Trucking Company has filed bankruptcy. There are over 30,000 people without a job today. I want to tell you guys, first of all, that I am sorry for what happened to you guys, but I also want to tell you guys as well, go rewrite your resume. Go find you a new job quickly so that you do not have those gaps within your resume and so that you don't have to explain those gaps. Go pick up my virtual resume rewrite session. Rewrite your skills and experiences because you guys, those skills and experiences are transferable. So no matter what industry you're in, you are able to transfer to a high paying job just like this one. And for those of you guys who are not a part of that layoff, you now have, there has been a ton of layoffs. So there are new workers coming to the market. You have to be able to distinguish yourself, distinguish your resume from new competition, you guys. Let's go out there. Let's go get these jobs. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session so that you can have a professional resume within 10 to 15 minutes, okay? And that you can land these jobs. Most of the people that have already gotten the virtual resume rewrite session, literally, they've been getting calls within the week. So you guys go get it, go write that resume, and hey, let's land the jobs this year. That's the hey, let's land these jobs this year. Let's secure your finances for your family. Let's go, you guys. So let's get into the shout outs of the day. I'm going to do them really quickly. So we got Mr. Kenneth. Mr. Kenneth, I am so excited for you. Mr. Kenneth was a manager at AutoZone, you guys. At AutoZone. He rewrote his resume using the resume rewrite session and his transferable skills, you guys. And he now has a program manager's job and he makes $184,000. And that is up from his salary of $70,000, you guys. That is up from the $70,000. I'm so proud of you, Mr. Kenneth. Okay, we got Brunette. Brunette got her job as a project manager and she now makes $160,000. $172,000. We got Miss Cynthia. Miss Cynthia, she landed her job as a project manager, and she makes $165,000, you guys. I am so excited for all of you, and I know that I have so many shout outs of the day that I got to do. I will get to you. I promise, I promise, I promise. Okay? All right, so let's go to the inspiration of the day. The inspiration of the day is I will not underestimate myself. I know that I am going through a very hard times, and most of us are. Do not let that hard time extinguish the fire that you have in yourself today. You still have the skills, you still have the experience. Do not let this overcome you. Do not let this overcome you. The only thing that you need to do is rewrite your skills, rewrite your experience so that you can get another high paying job, okay? So that is what we're going to do today. We are going to get right into this video, and like I said, I am going to help you guys. I am going to help you guys. I'm going to walk through this job, and I'm going to walk through paragraph by paragraph on what you should put on your resume so that you can land this job. The inspiration of the day is I will overcome. I will not let it overcome me. I will overcome it. I will not let it overcome me. I will not let it overtake me. I got this. That is your inspiration of the day. Y'all go pick up that virtual resume rewrite session and let's get to work. Let's go, you guys. All right, you guys. So let's get to work on this job. Let's get to work right now. And I'm so sorry, my computer cut it off, but Microsoft is hiring for a senior business planner, you guys. They are hiring for a senior business planner. This job was just posted July 28th. That was a couple of days ago. Y'all go rewrite your resume and go get in on this job because this job is too good to let go. Okay, so this is 100% remote. This is full time, you guys. This is a full time job. This job has no degree requirements. Go rewrite your resume. Use the virtual resume rewrite session to rewrite your resume, rewrite your skills, and rewrite your experience. For those of you who have the virtual resume rewrite session, oh, go pull it out. Go pull it out. Go to the attachment where it says power phrases you can use. It says use these to fill in your experience and your job descriptions. Let's go, you guys. Pull that out, and we are going to go line by line, and I am going to tell you what you need to write on that resume to land this job. This is like a rewrite session. To be honest, this is a group rewriting session for this job. Y'all go get that virtual resume rewrite session if you don't have it, because I'm going to tell you guys everything that you need to put on your resume within this. Let's go. All right, let's read the overview. It says this senior business, as we go down to the last paragraph. It says this senior business planner sits in the central monetization and business planning team in the cloud marketing organization. The monetization and business planning team is responsible for monetization strategy, pricing, and packaging constructs for products representing over 1 billion in annual revenue. This is an executive level job, you guys. You need an executive level resume. Go get that rewrite session and rewrite your resume. It says to deliver a broad charter, we've built an industry leading reputation for strategic thought leadership. As a business planner, you will deliver real impact by collaborating with engineering to turn new product innovations, creating business model frameworks that align with customer value, optimizing customer experience through new commerce innovation, creating incentive structures for our partners' ecosystem to deliver value for high-end customers, and developing offer strategies to accelerate cross-cloud adaptation and new user growth. If you have a passion around business model innovation, cloud technology, and digital transformation, this is a great opportunity to be a part of our team to help shape the monetization strategy for Microsoft Teams. Okay, you guys. So let's go into the qualifications right now. It says you have to have 5 years product management, strategy consulting, finance, business, corporation development, or related experience or equivalent experience, you guys. So that is required. That is the minimum required is no degree. But as we go down to the preferred qualification, let's go down to the preferred. It says 8 years product management, strategy consultant, and finance with a bachelor's degree. Or you can have 6 years and a master's degree. But as you can see, this has no degree. It is all about experience, you guys. So you do need that experience. Get the virtual resume rewrite session and go get the experience that you need, okay? It says experience working across diverse stakeholders to define and execute strategic initiatives, strategic framing skills. It says exceptional business judgment and strategic thinking, experience leading cross functional teams, okay, you guys? Experience leading those teams. So, like I told you guys before, this is an experienced job. They are looking for an experienced leader, okay, you guys? They're not asking you to do the work. What they're asking you to do is have the skills and experience to lead the team that is doing the work. That's how simple and easy this job is. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session so you can have the power words and phrases that you can use. That is the download that's in the virtual resume rewrite session. That that download has all of your skills, all of the experience that you need, you guys. Go get it, go get it, go get it. But let's get right into the responsibilities so that I can show you guys how to use it. How to use it paragraph by paragraph, skill by skill. Let's get into it right now. All right, so let's go down to the responsibilities. So, the responsibilities of the senior business planner, it says lead cross functional team to land monetization, strategy, pricing decisions, and packaging constructs for Microsoft Teams. I want you guys to use on this one, or your power phrases you can use. Have it in front of your face. On that one, I want you to use the skills and experiences of paragraph 1, which is program planning and management, and I want you to use the experiences that are included in paragraph 6, which is strategic planning and execution. It talks all about leading cross functional teams, okay? Take that and copy and paste that into your experience that you have at your previous jobs, okay, you guys? All right, you guys, for your next one, which is to establish new business models to drive growth, you are going to use paragraph 7, which is the quality assurance and process improvement, you guys. That is what you're going to use for the second bullet point. Use the use the experience that I give you guys in the virtual resume rewrite session. Put that, copy and paste that into your resume. Copy and paste that one. Okay? It says collaborate with project engineers and product marketing to identify, prioritize, and deliver new value that drives adoption while capitalizing on customers' willingness to pay. It's establish and present product monetization strategy to senior executives across the company. You are going to use number 3, which is stakeholder engagement and communications. All of this all of the experience that I give you guys within that skill, put that into your resume, okay? And then we're going to say collaborate with finance teams to assess the financial and economic impact of business model proposals. You are going to use number 2 for that one, which is the budgeting and financial management, okay, you guys? That is what you're going to use. That's the paragraph that you are going to use. And it says contribute to a diverse and inclusive culture within our team and at Microsoft. So with that one, like I said, you're going to use you're going to use number 16, which is relationship management, okay? So we got the ones that you need to use. We got paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 5, paragraph 6, and paragraph 7, you guys. And then last but not least, we have paragraph 16. So those are the paragraphs that you are going to use on your resume in order for you to land this job, okay? I gave you guys literally, this is like a rewrite session because use those paragraphs in order to rewrite your resume. You don't have to even look through the virtual resume rewrite session anymore. All you have to do is go ahead and use those paragraphs. So I'm going to tell you the paragraph one more time. It's paragraph 1, which is program planning and management. Paragraph 2, which is budget and financial management. Paragraph 3, which is stakeholder engagement and communication. Paragraph 5, which is team leadership and development. Paragraph 6, which is strategic planning and execution. And paragraph 7, which is quality assurance and process improvement. And then we got paragraph 16. Paragraph 16 is relationship management, you guys. Those are the paragraphs. Go rewrite your resume so that you can land the job with those paragraphs. All right, you guys? Now let's go over to the pay. The typical pay base range for this role is $101,000 to $194,000. It says if you are in the San Francisco Bay Area or the New York area, though that area has a base pay of 130,000 and it goes all the way up to 213, you guys. So it's an extra like 30,000. Yes. Go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session. Go pick up that rewrite session because, like I said, you guys, I literally telling you the paragraphs and everything you need in order for you to rewrite your resume. I want this job so much for you guys. Y'all really don't even know. I want this job. I want one of you guys to get this job so bad because this is a life changing, recession proof job. This job will always be there, guys. This job will always be there. Microsoft is a multi-billion-dollar company. They are going nowhere. They are going nowhere, you guys. Go land this job. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session so that you can land this job. Use the paragraphs that I tell you guys in the video. When y'all said y'all wanted a virtual resume rewrite session, I'm giving it to you guys. It's here, it's done. Sam did it for y'all, okay, you guys? But go land this job. And remember, my virtual resume rewrite session is paying for pay me later. Most of you guys are getting this job, getting job interviews, and you are landing these jobs within weeks. Within weeks, you guys. I just pinned another comment. He said within a week, he has been getting e-verifies. E-verifies are basically they're trying to verify your information and everything that they need from you before they go ahead and offer you the job. So you guys go get the virtual resume rewrite session. It is changing lives and I know it can do it for you, okay? Like and follow for more. You guys keep tuned to the channel because I'm going to keep bringing you guys six-figure jobs. You guys are motivating me and I absolutely love it. I'm going to keep on my job. You guys keep on your job. Keep on your job of finding the six-figure job for you and your family. Use that virtual resume rewrite session and get it done. Okay, you guys? Have such an amazing, wonderful, blessed day today, okay? Take care of yourself. Take care of others, but remember to pour into yourself, invest into yourself because you deserve the investment. And I'm going to tell you something. You cannot pour from an empty cup. Go fill your cup up, okay? All right, you guys, have a great, wonderful day. See you on the next video. Bye.